Hey guys, my name's Elena and I am outside in the sun. How am I not melting? I don't know. So I'm here to pick up my friend's dog Pocket because we are going to give him a Christmas makeover and I'm so excited. He's like going to be super cute. Hi Pocket! Hi! Come on! Get up here, silly! He's being silly. Look at Pocket. Alright guys, so we're gonna give him a makeover. Thank you, ma'am. I shall bring him back very cute. Alright, so my friend has no idea what he had a mohawk last time. Okay, honey, stay right there. Come here. You can ride on my lap. Come on. Come on, Pocket. You're not gonna pee on me, are you? As long as you don't pee, I'm good. Okay, cool. This is Pocket. I know, honey, you're cute. You're cute. All right, guys, let's go. All right, I'm gonna go and drive to my friend Jina's house. She's a groomer from Austin. She does creative grooming. So, interestingly enough, that is a thing. And so we're gonna give my friend's dog a makeover.
I like turtles. I like turtles. I like turtles. I like turtles.
Time for your makeover.
Okay.
So explain what we're doing.
Shaving out the pads of the feet to get all the hair out. This is a 40 blade.
Is that just for paws? I don't know anything about grooming, y'all.
Yes. You can also use it on the face, depending on what kind of dog it is.
And what kind of cut? I learned all of my grooming stuff from Jina. What kind of cut are you gonna give him?
We are doing a 10 blade all over the body, so he's going to be fairly short, all here. And then he's gonna have a mohawk. And he's still gonna have his little goatee going on right here. And then his ears are gonna be shaved.
Okay.
But he'll still have his, let me see your tail pocket, his tail.
Okay. So what do you do whenever dogs like are not
Cooperative?
Yeah.
You learn to do what they allow you to do.
So like so Jina no longer does grooming, she only does it like on the side. And only sometimes does she do it,
So for instance, if he wouldn't have let me shaved in between his eyes, I would have gone to scissors.
Gotcha.
And it's always best to start dogs off when they're babies, so they get used to the whole process. So I prefer to have them start when they're at least 6 weeks of age, after they've had at least 2 rounds of the distemper parvo vaccine, so that they don't get parvo.
Gotcha.
It's always best.
For babies, how do you deal with the babies? I'm sure it's difficult.
It is, but once again, it's a learning process for them, so that they have to learn to trust you and know that you're not going to hurt them.
Gotcha.
And yes, they do cry and fight you, but
Is it like just positive reinforcement?
Yes, it's positive, all positive reinforcement.
Turned out like into a groom slash meet my friend Jina. So this is Jina. I've known this woman for many years, since we were like in grade school. We are now in our, I'm not gonna say, we're old enough to know better. She does grooming and she does vet teching right now. Currently that's what she's doing, vet teching. She knows I have this thing, so I work in the medical field and I am okay with gruesome stuff, but whenever I see gruesome dog pictures, I want to vomit. Do you work in a trauma center, or do y'all deal with traumas at all?
We do traumas.
So
It's not a trauma center. We're a regular vet clinic that does emergencies.
Gotcha.
When they come in.
Gotcha.
Yeah, he's a pro. He just ended up falling asleep.
He's like a little monster.
You look like a monster.
Sorry, buddy.
I know.
I'm a dragon. Meow. Jina, your hands.
It's okay. I'm going to my work Christmas party, so.
Are you gonna do anything with his paws?
Yep.
Look at, come here, sit. You sit. Good boy. Look at you. Oh. All right, let's go surprise Jessica. Alright guys, almost time. So Jessica's coming out to see Pocket and I'm super excited because he looks like a prince. Oh, he's so cute. He looks like a little Christmas cookie. He's not very happy with me, but Jessica's coming out and I'm so excited. Look at Pocket. Oh, look at you. You look so cute. He's like a little Christmas cookie. Come on.
No, that is so cute.
Isn't that the cutest thing ever?
Yeah.
Oh, we airbrushed him.
Oh, you look so cute. Come here.
Pocket, come here.
Are you good?
Yes.
Are you a good boy?
I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video and meeting my friends and their dogs. It was so much fun. Alright guys, y'all have a lovely day. Elena, out. Bye.